welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix missing or disappearing photos on Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on see all. Scroll down and click on gallery app. Scroll down and search gallery. And click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache gallery app. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so click on files app. And click search files. And click on internal storage. After click on internal storage and check hidden files. After check hidden files, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on gallery app and click on trash. After check recycle bin, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.